Hello friends, welcome back to InBack Academy. Hope you have watched our last video on conventional BMS protocols. This video is a continuation to that topic. Just to give you all a quick recap, we had discussed in our last video about what are protocols, that is building automation protocols, and also got to know about few majorly used protocols. They were BACnet, Loanworks, Modbus, and OPC UA. Today, we will be discussing about web services. Web services are a standardized way of enabling different applications and IT systems to interact via the internet. Web services are actually a collection of protocols that work together to support activities such as opening files, accessing and exchanging data, and uploading and downloading information across platforms. In building automation, web services are often used to integrate building systems that have various protocols in use. For example, an enterprise with a mixture of BACnet and Loanworks-based facilities could use a web service application to integrate the operation from both networks and provide unified reporting and analysis. The W3C Web Services Architecture Working Group defines and maintains the standards for web services architecture. Now, we will learn about the applications of web services. Web services are used in building automation to integrate reporting across facilities and provide a bridge between legacy and systems. It can also be used locally within a single building. For example, to link a Modbus sensor network with the facility manager's control portal. KNX. KNX is a worldwide communication standard for home and building control. It was created in 1999 by CONEX Association, now KNX Association. This association administers the standard, providing vendor and product independent commissioning software for standardized commissioning procedures. KNX is used mainly in residential rather than commercial building automation for HVAC, lighting, security, remote access, blind and shutter control, visualization, and energy management. DALI, Digital Addressable Lighting Interface, is the leading protocol for the control of lighting in building automation. Developed by a group of manufacturers led by Philips, the protocol was first drafted as an open standard in the year 2000, as an alternative to digital signal interface, that is DSI. DALI provides exceptionally fine-grained control over lighting, with each device being separately addressable. 256 levels of brightness are possible or will be available under DALI include remote control, integration with fire and emergency lighting systems, balancing of light output as LEDs, and the ability to adjust lighting load based on electricity demand. The protocol is administered by the DALI Working Party. It is known as AG-DALI, ensuring that DALI's compliant products will have the highest levels of interoperability with other DALI products. Testing can be done either by an approved test house or by DALI members themselves using DALI software. Applications, as you should know, DALI is used exclusively for lighting and related controls. DALI devices include fluorescent HF ballasts, low voltage transformers, PE cells, motion detectors, wall switches, and gateways to other protocols. Now, we will know about Clipsal CBUS. CBUS is a communications protocol based on a 7-layer OSI model for home and building automation. It was created by Clipsal Australia, now part of Schneider Electric, for the Clipsal brand of home automation and building lighting control. CBUS became an open protocol in 2008. CBUS provides a great deal of flexibility in switching and control. Functions can be changed, added, removed, moved, or reprogrammed at any position on the network without cumbersome hand wiring. Usually used for lighting control, CBUS can also control pumps, motors, and virtually any other type of electrical load. Or meter bus is an European standard for the remote readout of consumption meters, that is heat, gas, etc., in homes and buildings. It is now widely used for smart metering. MBus makes it possible to read meters remotely from a host computer or handheld device. In building automation, MBus can be linked to the building system to provide integration with other systems such as HVAC and lighting. MBus is used to report readings from water, gas, heat, and electrical meters, as well as valves and actuators. It is also sometimes used for alarm systems and flexible illumination systems. So that's all for today. All the protocols which I have discussed in all these two videos are about the mostly used protocols, that is BMS protocols in the industry. There may be others as well, which are a little lesser used than the ones stated in these two videos. If we need to understand the details of each protocol and detailed structure of each, then you should become a member of INBAC and get to know about all these protocols in great detail. We will meet again on next Friday with yet another interesting topic. Stay tuned. Take care. Bye-bye.